In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Airtable. Beginner Method 2026. Start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. Sign into your account using your usual method, and if you're asked for any verification, complete it to proceed. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see your workspaces and a list of recent bases. This is your hub for quickly getting back into your projects. Open a base you want to organize, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. For a clear demonstration, the default grid view works best because it shows your records as rows and your fields as columns. If you're in a different view type, no worries. The sorting option is in the same top toolbar. Look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar that includes options like Filter, Group, and Sort. Click Sort. This opens the sorting panel for your current view. You'll see the fields you can sort by. Common choices include Name, Notes, Assignee, Status, Attachment Summary, and Start Date. Pick the field that matches how you want to see your information. For text-based fields such as Name or Notes, choose A to Z or Z to A. For a date like Start Date, sort from earliest to latest or the reverse. Sorting by assignee or status is great for batching similar items together. Even computed fields such as Attachment Summary can be sorted to surface records with attachments first. If your view is grouped, your sort applies within each group, keeping the groups intact while organizing the records inside them. Need more precision? Add a secondary sort. For example, sort by start date first, then by status to break ties. You can drag to reorder sort rules. Flip a sort from ascending to descending, or remove a rule if the results aren't what you expected. A helpful tip: sorts are saved per view. That means you can keep one view sorted by start date for planning and another sorted by status for tracking without changing the underlying data. New records will automatically fall into the right position based on your sort rules, so you won't need to reapply the sort each time. If you want to reset, open the Sort panel and clear your rules to return to the original order. Once you're satisfied, close the panel. Your view retains the sort settings. And that's it. You've sorted your Airtable data the beginner-friendly way, making your tables easier to scan, prioritize, and manage.